Hi, welcome to this course. I am Brijesh, your mentor and instructor at Aksh Animation. Well, I have designed this course especially to teach you how to create motion graphic videos using After Effects. Motion graphics are very popular today. You will get these styles of videos everywhere, from YouTube video to TV commercials. Even these days, you will find a motion video on each website's homepage explaining features of that website. Many big brands are also using motion video for their advertisements. Actually, videos are considered excellent way of marketing. They can engage more people than text or emails. So video marketing is growing rapidly. If you are one who wants to create motion graphic videos or other commercials, you are at right place. In this course, we have covered all tools and methods along with many tips and tricks which you will need to create high quality motion graphics. All lectures are designed and put in such way that you will find a structured learning approach. We have covered all topics in detail. First, we will start with basics of After Effects. Then, we will get deeper understanding of compositions. We will learn how to handle layers and will work on different types of layers. After that, we have covered many advanced ways to create animation. We will also do some projects during this course. I think project-based learning is more effective because it will enable you to handle real-world projects. We will dive into 3D and will create actual 3D objects. Now, apart from this long description about this course, the question is, why listen to me? There are many other courses on Udemy. So why to take this one? Well, I am a freelance motion artist with 7 years plus experience in creating motion graphics. I have done variety of projects for a number of individual clients, video agencies like appsgoneviral.com, myevideo.com, and novayvideos.com. I have also worked for big brands like QuickBooks and Mobisoft Corporation. Even I have created a video for one of the best-selling authors on Udemy, that is Somi Academy. I have excellent ratings on freelance sites like odesk.com, freelancer.com, and elance.com. I have done number of jobs on these sites on sound payment, and I'm glad to share my knowledge with you. I want to prepare you to get involved in video business because it's right time to start. No matter what you do, you just need to love creativity and producing videos. So just stay with me, and I promise at the end of this course, you will be a professional video designer. For next two lectures, I have added my sample videos that I have created for my clients. By these videos, you will get a general idea what you can do after taking this course. So let's watch them.